In this video, we're going to talk about Bitlocker, which is a security system of Windows that can lock you out if you don't have the key ready with you. So a user asked me for a suggestion about this topic, so I'm going to show you quickly how you can solve it. So the first thing you can do is access your Bitlocker page in your Microsoft Windows account. And to do that, you just type aka ms and then recovery key. And this will open up search in your browser. So you can use Google, you can use any other search engine. The important thing is that you reach this link right here. So what you can do is just copy this. So right click with your mouse or Control C, copy this link and paste it in the address bar at the top of your browser. And then you can paste it and just press enter. This will bring you to the Microsoft Access page, which right now is in Italian, but you will have it in English. Just access your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, create one, and then you will find the page directly with the link that I just showed you. Otherwise, you need to go directly into Microsoft and look for that page, which is going to be more complex. So just look for like Microsoft account security. So just access that page and look for that specific setting for locking and retrieving the BitLocker key. Now, the other possibility, which is to prevent this problematic instead of doing it when it's already done, is to go into your control panel in your computer. And usually you can find this just by searching in the Windows bar, and you can see it's usually available also in a window like this. So once you are in the control panel, you click here on System and Security, and then you go down and you will find this device encryption. So what we're talking about is essentially security measure of Windows to keep your file and data safe for people who can access that they are not allowed. So right here, if you go here, you will see your hard disk. So essentially, this will lock your hard disk in situations where there is a problem related to a strange access or something like that. It's going to automatically go. So right here, you have a button, and with this, you can click and you can either save this to your Microsoft account, which is basically a recovery key, and it's going to be like a series of numbers. So you can see here, it will be necessary to access files and folder when the PC is locked. So it's a good idea to have more than one copies and to keep it safe in another place that is not your PC. So you can save it as a PDF. You can also print it and just write it down on a piece of paper. We can just copy and paste it into a mail or wherever editor you have at your disposal. So by doing this, the next time you will be locked out by this security system, you will access really easily. Otherwise, another way is like you need to insert your PIN and then you need to wait for hours between one try and another, and so it's gonna take you a long time. So there's a good suggestion here to keep a copy of this recovery key. And this will be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe to the channel to stay updated for more. If you want to support us, join the channel as a supporter. Check our other video guides and video courses that we already published. Thanks, and see you in the next video.